Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also tap the bell to get notified about all new videos and live chats. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to check out the stories. This way you can keep up with us on the daily. Thanks for the support.
All right, the first thing I see when I pull up is the headlights. Definitely need to be restored. Also, it has a lot of etching. Like, I think most of this stuff is like etched into the paint, or maybe not. And he wants to sell this, and I may have to come back and do this one. I may have to sell him a different package, because if he's trying to sell this, I may go ahead and start on the other one first. But I'll give him a call. Look at this. Yeah, this one's going. I mean, I can clean it up the best I can with what he wanted, but he needs a polish. Look at that. This thing needs a good wash, clay, and a polish. Most definitely. Okay, I talked with the customer and he decided to reschedule for tomorrow on this vehicle. I'll be doing this one today. I'll come back tomorrow and do this one. I'll be doing a full detail with the headlight restoration. So what I'm gonna do is instead of waxing it, I'm gonna clay it and then polish it. All right, let's take a look at this one. Oh man, it's not really like nasty. It's just dusty. Looks like it hadn't been detailed in a long time, or maybe never been detailed. It's probably like a quick vac and wash and in and out, but I'm finna do my thing. Okay, let me go ahead and get started. We all done with this one. On to the next one. On to the next one. I gotta drive like 30 minutes to the next one. So I'll check it out. Just a wipe down, vac, and a wash. Now for a vehicle like this, it's normally 65, Toyota Highlander. It's normally 65 for a vehicle like this. The interior was kind of in bad shape. Not really, but it was. I had to work a little bit harder. So, you know, I add about $15 to it. As you can see, wiped everything down. Nothing too heavy. Last one for the day. It's the Infiniti QX60. Now this is probably going to be the worst part of the vehicle because of the kids. I just pulled 2 baby seats from back here. It's not too bad back here. It's not too bad. Let me go ahead and get started. Now this is an upsell you guys can do. Good idea is to clean baby seats. You can charge $10. All you need is some APC, a steamer, and an air gun, and go at it. You can charge them $10 $5 to $10 a baby seat. Hey, just something to think about. Sorry about that, guys. Sat out here and got dark on me. But the customers are satisfied. Both baby seats done. He gave me a tip, so gave me like a, what, $15 tip, so I went on and knocked out his baby seats too. All right, I'm on location. I'm gonna start out with the headlights first. As you can see, I've already taped them off. Hinges are, what you call these shocks. These shocks are out, so you see I got them up with vice grips. That's another tip for you guys. If you want a proper door open, just catch the shock of the hinges. Hit it with a vice grip. Keep them open that way, so it won't fall on your head. Because after I do this, I'm gonna start doing the engine after that. All right, I'm all done. Okay, what I did to this vehicle is, all right, as you can see, headlights have been restored. I polished it. It darkened the paint up a little bit. And as y'all know, it's not gonna remove any of this type of stuff. It looked like it's etched into the clear coat. I called around, talked to a few people. Shout out to Sharon the polisher, talked to him. And from what I explained to him, I hadn't sent him any pictures yet, but from what I explained to him, he said that I would probably have to go into something more aggressive like wet sanding. But the vehicle turned out nice. They're trying to sell it, so they're not trying to go that deep into it. You see they got a lot of paint chips right here, so I don't see them trying to spend a whole lot of money. But the interior came out great. You see, smells good in here. I used some citrus oil. Shout out to Sporties. Y'all want y'all some citrus oil, holla at Sporties. Citrus oil degreaser, that is. But everything turned out great, man. And I'm out, man. I'm so ready to go home. I actually gonna have to drink me a beer after this one. This actually, it wasn't like I thought it was gonna be. It's not as easy. It wasn't hard, but it was harder than I thought. It's not as easy as I thought it was. It didn't go how I thought it was gonna go. It was so much hidden dirt in this vehicle. Hair. I don't think this vehicle has ever been detailed.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Click right here to subscribe and watch these 2 great videos right here. Like a man. Like a man.